Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Okay, so identify each of the following orbital and an L for each. Let's take a look at the picture. Picture as follow. Okay, so it's tertiary full shells. Let's get started. So let's start with A. It's a third shells. All right, and then B said full shells. All right, let's also draw like a general picture of what they look like. Third shells is on the y-axis. XY axis basically is in y-axis and it's a dumbbell shells. So it's kind of look like this, and then of course like that, and then there's a lump here, and then lump here. This is basically called dumbbell shape. Okay, like the weight thing, dumbbell shapes, and which is meaning it is p orbital, p. Okay, let's take a look at the next pictures. The next picture is a donut shape. It's a ring and it's go through the z orbitals. Okay, so let's kind of look at what that look like. Look like this. Again, I'm not drawing perfectly. It has a ring, and then it has this, and then this. Okay, so basically what that is this is a d orbital. So let's figure out how to write n and l. N is really easy. They did tell you this is a fourth, this is a three. Okay, now how to write l? L is a little bit tricky. L has to do with the letter SPDF. I have previously mentioned in a different video. If not, we can still remember from here. S, P, D, F. Okay, for the L, S is 0, P is 1, D is 2, and F is 3. Since we know it's D, that means it is 2. And since we know is P, that means it is 1. Now, they didn't ask for this in this question, but if they ask for ML, it's always go from negative L to the positive L. Okay, same thing. If they ask for ML, it's go from negative L to the positive L. Okay, that's it. Okay, I don't need the dot there. Just say 2. All right. Now, I haven't seen MS yet. MS has to do with spin, which is positive half or negative half. But anyway, that's pretty much what it is. So the thing that you want to know is this. S is going to be circle shapes, spear shapes. P is usually always in this kind of like a lump, like a dumbbell shape. And then D is a little bit more complicated. You have a dumbbells with a little ring to it, like this, the ring and then the dumbbell shape. Or sometimes you have a clover looking shapes, right, which is they kind of go all four way. F is more complicated. It's almost never really there. All you need to do is you can go back to the book, and then you just need to look for these shapes and just need to tell in general SPDF and what they are, and then that will tell you what happened. All right, so for this question for 5.29, the correct answer is A. For A is n equal to 3, L equal to 1. For B is n equal to 4, and L equal to 2. And that's pretty much it. Happy studying.